Crayola came out with a full-on makeup line.
Today we are going to be testing out this collection. We have it all here.
Today we're going to be testing Crayola Beauty.
This is the brand new Crayola Beauty makeup line.
And I got the nude eyeshadow palette and the mermaid eyeshadow palette. Please stop releasing mermaid and unicorn themed items. We are all over it.
I can't do my whole face with this.
And this isn't really coming out super pigmented.
Well, let's just do a little right here. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put some on my chin. I know this might be a little weird to everyone, but hi. Oh my god. What the hell did I do, you guys?
Third time, fourth time, fifth time.
Oh my god. It took the foundation off. Oh.
This is the face palette. I really thought this was going to contain a contouring color.
And that's just wiping all of the color off. We're not off to a good start.
So the bronzer in the top right is so glittery. Oof.
Ugh. Okay, I won't lie. The color is a little bit like gray.
Oh, it still feels like tacky. Like some just came off on my finger. I wonder if it dries. Like,
This is like a lipstick. Wow, that did not last long. This is a mess already.
like how does it more sheer on my eye? And how does it look like that on my hand? I'm so confused.
It's no Tarte Shape Tape, but like, has it even like done anything?
The fallout though, I hate blowing like in videos this much, but girl, ooh, that is severe.
Oh my god, this is a hot mess.
Personally, this probably isn't really a highlight color that I would wear. I like something a little more subtle than that.
I mean, that doesn't blend on the face.
That is like the worst black that I've ever swatched in my entire life. What is that? You think of all the colors of black would be like the best one.
This, I don't know about this crayons, honey.
Okay, it's definitely not going to be my go-to foundation, that's for sure.
This face crayon, I'm gonna give a hard pass to.
It's just like not there. I was definitely right in the beginning when I said that this palette definitely does not have a contouring option, which is, hello, it's a face palette.
So the shadow palettes are underwhelming. There's nothing truly unique in the range to me.
Literally falling apart. Oh! You're kidding.
And I think here's the blush, one of the blush shades. Fell out. Okay, there's no pan in there.
And the shades just fell out. I literally just tipped it a tiny bit and they've gone bye-byes.
Okay, this is just getting worse and worse and worse by the second.
And this looks as if it is doing nothing. Very minimal.
So this is $24. Oh wow, when you try to press it back in and it breaks.
We're gonna pretend like that shadow didn't just fall out of the entire package. Good lord, I'm scared.
For how kind of like, this looks like kids makeup, is it not? It should be a little cheaper, I think, but I think they're trying to put on the ASOS price tag and I'm like, honey, slow it down.
It doesn't dry. Like, it's still tacky feeling. This is not going well.
Okay, it's there. It's a little clown-like. Let me diffuse it in a second.
Nothing is really showing up.
And it's just kind of, I don't know if you can see, it's getting into the other shades.
Oh my god, you guys can't even, oh.
Oh wow, bitch, the fallout though, honey. Looks like Johnny Depp snorting coke and blow. Like, I can't.
And also kind of weighing this out on, oh my god. Why is this red doing this?
Tapping off the excess, and that one is falling everywhere.
ASOS did the worst job ever with packaging makeup.
Okay, as you guys see, I'm barely dipping in. There's a lot of fallout. Not the end of the world, but, and then I hit it once, all the product's gone.
This is just not good, I think is the conclusion that I'm coming to here.
It's just very dusty, getting everywhere. I can feel it going into my eyes.
God damn it, where's the pigment?
Hello, I do not see that, do you?
There is nothing coming off.
What is going on? This is probably one of the worst eye looks I've ever done, and I'm literally not even being dramatic.
I feel like they invested all their money into the packaging because nothing's showing up.
What in the actual hell is going on with this palette? Look at the streakiness. This is so weird. I'm gonna tilt my head back so you guys can see.
Why is this black so sheer? Why would you ever want a black that looks like this?
I feel like if you go in too heavy with the tip, it's gonna break off, but maybe not. This kind of hurts on the eyes.
What the actual hell happened right here?
Like nothing. Fuck's sake, man.
Okay, that looks literally the worst.
Okay, is someone playing a fucking joke on me right now?
Does it make my eyelid look wrinkly? Yep.
I just can't get over the fact that this black eyeliner is literally like not black. Who does that? Why would you ever do that?
Just to tie this hot mess together.
All right, that is enough of the eyeshadows. This eye look literally took me 45 minutes to do, and I still don't feel like it's up to par.
This reminds me of old eyeshadows. That would be like in your mom's makeup bag from the 80s or 90s.
Now, moving on, this lip, I feel like I'm playing in like old, like my grandma's makeup. Like, it feels a little Play-Doh-y. I'm not living for it at all.
The blending is not great. These cream shadows still are not dried down, which is very, very strange, and it's just not as vibrant and pigmented as I would like them to be.
There's nothing on my eyes. Literally nothing.
Test it on my hand here. Oh, wow. I mean, you guys, that is fucking sheer.
I have my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I want to show you just how pigmented and creamy that is. And then let's compare it to the white one from Crayola. No.
You guys, where's the box? Water resistant that gives volume and definition. Got it. Had to make sure because I'm not really seeing either here.
Like, I know I have tiny lashes, but that just takes the fucking piss.
It started off really good at that first swatch, and now it's turning into like I'm putting on Halloween makeup a little bit. This is a little weird.
These do not layer well.
Where are my fucking lashes?
The idea was there, it could have been cute, but flop.
It kind of tastes like not good.
Normally it's no problem to take like a pencil liner and smudge it over powder eyeshadow, but this one is not doing good.
It's very flaky, like I'm not living for the formula actually. I'm like, I started to get excited and then I started to apply more. All right, you guys, this is what's happening with the lips today. This is such a weird formula. What is this?
Number one disappointment with it was ASOS packaged it so bad. It came like 3 palettes stuck together.
I look like I'm about to perform in the circus, girl. I really do. Oh wow, what the?
Just like I said, they're not super unique, so I wouldn't run out to repurchase them again.
I don't know what kind of blush this brand was thinking was gonna happen here.
Do I think they're worth the money? Nope. No, 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 no.
There's just no pigment. Using a crayon all over your face is a little bit not practical.
Not today. Now, the Mermaid eyeshadow palette. Girl, what the hell?
Crayola, sweetie, love you the most. You made my childhood pretty iconic, but I think we need to stick to our 96 crayons for $10 because all this is not working out.
Would I wear it again? I don't think I would really reach for this. So I definitely don't recommend these.
This was a flop for me. I'm looking at the monitor like, got it. This was a flop for me.
I definitely would not recommend you guys to go and run and spend your money on it. These face crayons, I would have to say by far are the worst thing in this entire collection. They're way too waxy, they're not that pigmented, they do not blend out very well, they don't dry down, and they're way, way, way too overpriced.
With my experience with the face crayon that I did buy, which was $14.50, I probably wouldn't go ahead and purchase any more of them.
Is the Crayola Beauty Collection Jeffree Star approved? After I applied the mascara and saw it looking pitiful, it was a no for me. The entire collection,
I feel like this is my first ever testing video where I actually don't like it.
I think the price is so high for what it actually is.
So hopefully they will get that shit together because they're gonna have a ton of returns because these colors are very soft. You can literally look at them and they'll break. So I feel like you do have to be super duper careful with these shadows because they are so creamy.
Let's talk about the brushes. Do I think they're worth it? No, I don't.
And the brush collection is an absolute no. Please never spend $40 on 4 brushes, ever.
but overall the packaging, it feels kind of cheap.
That packaging is an abomination.
I can't do it. So without further ado, I am going to go take this all off. Please pray for me because this was a no for me.
I would say this whole line is pretty gimmicky. I think that it's just Crayola saw an opportunity and was like, let's just jump on the bandwagon and like come out with a makeup line.
Definitely not.
I will not be recommending this collection to you guys, and it will definitely not be part of my future makeup routine.
This being my first experience of putting Crayola on my face was a very negative one. I was almost like, once I put this on and then that purple over the top and it was just not blending right, I almost actually quit doing my makeup for this video.
This is how I'm feeling right now. Like imagine if this is a really pigmented lipstick, it would be a disaster. It's like already, I can like probably wipe it into my skin and it would be evaporated.
I just figured the rest of the stuff was going to be horrible. So big hard pass on the eggplant face crayon.
I feel like it's a no from me.